what you are about to witness is me professionally profiling my father for the first time. My father is in Ghana. He had to go there back in 2010, and now we're trying to make arrangements for him to come back. So that's been fun and exciting, but I've clearly, 2021, about to be 2022 soon. I missed out on a lot of really getting to know him in that way, especially with like time zone differences and limited Wi-Fi and internet and stuff like that. So it really sucks, but he's an amazing man, and I hope that you guys get to see this throughout this session. This was a fun session because I'd always just kind of like passively profiled him from what I remember and from what I know, but this is the first time where I'm trying to go into it like with as little bias as possible. Um, and it turned out really interesting. I'm very, very excited because I've been waiting to do this video for a long time. He's a busy man, but this is my father.
First, thank you for introducing me and having me to do this interview. Before I go on, I'll say hi to your mother, my wife, Linda, and to
Yes.
Dantella, your sister, my daughter, and to Jamila,
Oh
wife,
yeah, absolutely. Mm-hmm.
and to all the family, the grandmothers, aunties, and grandpas. Other people would describe me as somebody who is more or less outspoken. When I'm in a meeting, I won't be quiet. I'll say what I have to say in the right time, in the right way. But then I will not walk out with my mind being bogged about something. No, I'll ask. If it puts smiles on people's face, I'll do it. And being alone does not mean that I don't like people to visit me, or I don't like visiting people or going on. No. But yeah, when I'm alone and I do a lot of stuff. Without good communication, then people tend to assume that, this is what you mean. Meanwhile, that's not what you mean. So
Right.
it's good to bring out stories to bring out the meaning of what you want to say. Because I believe that if people understand what you are telling them, then they also give you the right answer. It's more natural to see things and see it in a broader way that if this thing happened this way, then most likely this thing, happened before that thing, and after this what might happen, so that you can connect the stories, not just to look at what you are saying and just take it, but where it's coming from, history too, then where it's going, so that you can connect and get the full story of it. I'm a person who does not follow the crowd. That one I know. I don't follow
Okay.
the crowd. No. You have to be aware sometimes for things to go freely, so that you also come and learn a new thing that happened, and something like that. There were a lot of people who needed help. They were coming, and Jesus told the disciples, "Let's go and rest." They left the people. Yeah, so you need to. And those are the times that you get refilled. Because you keep on doing. You don't sit down and, and assess yourself and refill yourself and assess the things that you are doing. Is it the right thing that you are doing? Or you
Right.
feel that people are calling on you, so you feel no. You need to sit back and assess what you are doing.
Yeah.